Ladies and gentlemen, my name is Carl David. I appreciate you taking your time out to watch this video. I'm going to make this, as short as I possibly can, but action-packed and extremely informative. If you're watching this right now, you're part of my team, or you have decided to go ahead and purchase this training and these tools that I'm about to share with you. So essentially, I'll break down step by step what it is that you need to do, give you some suggestions and tips. If anything, that comes up and you have any more questions, I'll leave you my Facebook link so that you can just simply send me a message and I can help you sort things out. But essentially, this training right here, this script, is something that I went ahead and I whipped up because I was getting sick and tired of my Instagram robots crashing, and then we used to use a service. My team. We used to use a service where it would automatically like tons of pictures for us, but that costs money and sometimes it's unreliable. So I went ahead and I whipped this up. And guys, if you implement these strategies, if you just take action on what you're about to learn, you should definitely be able to see a significant change in your Instagram profile, and you should get a lot of traffic. And if you have a clean profile and you have the right content, you should get a lot of interested people, contacting you. So, I'm going to basically give you a few things that you need. You're going to need Firefox, okay? This is the web browser of choice because Firefox allows us to use certain extensions to add on and basically run these scripts. So, boom, Firefox. So you're basically going to go to Firefox, right? And you're just going to go ahead and you're going to download it, okay? I already have Firefox, so it's not letting me do it. What you want to do is just go ahead and download Firefox. The next thing that you're going to want to get is something called iMacros. And what I need you to do is Google, okay, iMacros, all right? It's spelled out I-M-A-C-R-O-S, iMacros. So you're simply going to Google iMacros, and you're going to click it. It's the first result. And what you're going to do is you're going to download the extension. Now it's going to ask you, do you want to restart your browser? No, not right away, because we're going to need one more tool. Right after you go ahead and you add iMacros to Firefox, the latest version, what you're going to want to do is go ahead and the next tool, the next extension that you're going to need to get is called AnonymoX. AnonymoX. ANONYMOX, guys. All right, so same thing. You're gonna Google this. You're gonna Google this in the Firefox browser, and you're gonna find AnonymoX. Same exact, concept. Add it to your Firefox extensions. This is an extension that allows you to change your IP address and delete cookies. This is a proxy tool. So these are the three main tools that you're gonna need: Firefox itself as a browser, iMacros, okay, as an extension, because iMacros is what's going to run this script that I'm going to share with you, and AnonymoX is basically, the proxy changer if anything were to, stop your Instagram profile. Boom. So now I'm going to talk about two different web versions of Instagram, okay? There's one called Followgram, and it's followgram.me, all right? I'm going to write this down again. Followgram.me, all right? You're going to need followgram.me, and we're going to use this website for commenting, and you're going to get Webstagram, all right? Webstagram.com, guys. Webstagram.com is going to allow you to run the liking, okay? So you're going to be able to do following. You're going to be able to do commenting with this website, and you're going to be able to do the auto liking with Webstagram.com. If you just Google Webstagram, right, it's going to come up, okay? So far you have Firefox installed. So far you have iMacros installed. So far you have AnonymoX installed. Now I need you to pause this video if you haven't already done so and get all of this taken care of. You cannot move forward until all of these three tools are taken care of. So Firefox, the web browser, iMacros, and an AnonymoX, okay? So next step, all right, you're going to have a file, right? You're going to have a file that you're gonna have access to when you join our team, or you purchase this directly. If you're not, you don't care about our primary business, which is Ingresso Cybernetico. If you don't care for it and you just want to use the scripts, you've purchased it and you have access to it, click the link to that you should have gotten with this video, and you're going to see it says Instagram scripts. I have a comment script here, okay, and I have a like script here. So boom, I'm gonna basically give you this now. Boom. Next thing you need to have is a comment script and the like script, okay? Boom. So now that you have all of these in place, that's all you need to run what I'm about to show you, okay? So effectively, what we're gonna do is I'm gonna leave these two here and I'm gonna come back to them in a second. I'm gonna show you, all right, how to basically set this up. So essentially, let's start with, I'm gonna go ahead and close these two out because we don't need them anymore and we don't need this. We're gonna start with followgram.me, correct? When you installed iMacros, you should have gotten this little toolbar icon here, which is iMacros. So I'm gonna open it up, all right? And when you open it up, it usually says demo macros. What you want to do is right click it and then delete. You want to remove that specific folder. So what I'm going to do now is make a new folder. I'm going to call this folder, right? I'm going to call this folder Instagram traffic, okay? And I'm going to click enter. Now, remember, to do any functions, you have to be directly on this. So if you don't see what I'm showing you right now, you got to be directly on this. What I need you to do next, there's three main functions here. There's play, there's record, and there's edit. If you want to edit the macros, you have to be directly on there. There's nothing to edit, so that's why you don't see anything. You don't have any .iim sequences going. So basically, this is what I'm going to show you how to create. So what you need to do is hover over record, all right? Click record and press stop. That's all you have to do. All you did was click record and press stop. Now it adds this weird alien thing that you don't know what it is. And if I go to edit and I go to edit macros, you're gonna notice that it basically notices that I'm on a specific web page. So I'm gonna close this, and what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna right click it, guys, and I'm gonna rename this. It's gonna pop over here, and I'm gonna call this comment. Now notice how I did not change the hashtag or the extension. I left it hashtag, I replaced the word current with comment, and I'm gonna press enter, it's gonna save it, okay? And what I'm gonna do next is I'm gonna press record, stop again. You see how it made another one, another current? I'm gonna do the same exact thing. I'm gonna rename it, and I'm gonna name this one like. So if you're following suit, you basically notice what I just did. I created a comment and a like script that I'm going to edit. So you have the scripts here, all right? This is as simple as it gets. So I'm gonna open up comment. I'm going to copy all of this. I'm gonna show you what you can do to add more functions to it. So you're gonna hold Command-C on a Mac, Control-C on a PC, and you're gonna copy this, okay? You're gonna copy that information. And what we're gonna do is come back here, okay? And we're gonna click where it says edit. I'm gonna click edit. And I'm going to hover over the comment one. Make sure you're doing the right thing. I want to put the comment script. I just opened up the comment script, and I'm going to hover over comment, click it, highlight it, and I'm going to go to the tab that says edit. I'm going to edit the macro. Now, I'm going to erase everything. It's going to be completely clean, and I'm going to paste what I just copied from here. That's all you have to do. This is as simple as it gets. Edit macros, boom, erase, paste. Now I'm going to click save and close. So now that I've saved it and closed it, I'm going to open this up and I'm going to show you what you can do with this. Basically, the function is, this is the tag that is going to go to student, okay? And it's going to drop a comment, hey, you should check out my page. SP means space. Open bracket, close bracket. SP means space, okay? So that's all it is. And if you want to add another hashtag that you want to comment on, all you're going to do is you're going to copy from here, okay? You're going to give it 2 lines, 2 or 3 lines, it doesn't matter. Paste it again, and let's say I don't want to use college life. I want to use entrepreneur, right? And I want to use that hashtag, and I just, I'm dropping this comment. Want to make extra money working online part-time. Text online income to, I'm going to change the number. Make it the right phone number, because obviously you saw that was wrong. Edit your stuff, make sure it's correct, and you're going to see what's going to happen. I'm going to click save. All right. And what I'm going to go do is I'm going to open up the like script. Okay. And I'm going to go here. I'm going to get the like script. I'm going to copy it all of it. I'm going to copy it all, guys, all of it. And you'll see what's going to happen. So boom, I'm going to copy this all. I'm going to come back here and I'm going to go to Webstagram. Webstagram is basically where you're going to do the liking. Followgram is where you're going to do the commenting. So I can go to like, remember, go to edit macros, and I'm going to erase this and I'm going to paste it. Now, it doesn't matter the tags that you use, but remember that certain tags get a lot more traffic than others. So you want to do some tag research, and I'm going to, show you a little bit more in depth, on later modules, of future upgrades on what to actually, optimize. So weekend, I would, every 2 seconds, 3, 5, 7, 2, 3, 2, 6. You can change this, guys. You can change this. This is what's cool about it. You want to change it to 18? Change it to 18. But keep it at 4, 2, 6. Do not make it 1, 1, 1 or 2, 2, 2, 2 straight down. This is human-like. 9 seconds, 12 seconds, 2, 2, 2, 2, 5, 2, 2, 3, 5, 2. You see what I'm saying? You want to make it human-like. So basically, this is what it's doing. And you can see that URL to go to is like for like. All right, I'm going to go to another tag. You can change this as you please. Businesswoman, change it as you please. Motivation. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to save it and I'm going to close it. And I'm going to show you an example of the like script. I'm going to log in. All you do is log in into your own Instagram account. That's all you do. So I'm going to click like. All right, I'm going to click this. I'm not going to run the comment one yet. I'm actually going to go over. Let me show you the comment one real quick. Right, so now, I'm inside the comment one. We edit the scripts, make it say whatever you want it to say. And basically all this says is, hey, check out my page. That's it. And then the next tag is college life. So want to make extra money working online part-time, text online income to my phone number. And I should edit this because that's not my phone number. That's my phone number. And how you would, okay, you're probably wondering, how do you add more tags? You want to do more additional tags? Just, it's simply, guys, just from here, where it says Followgram tag search, copy that, come down here and extend it. Extend the script. Let's do a different one. Let's do a, work flow. Okay? Do workflow, come down here and, let me see. I don't know. College, no, let's just say NBA All-Star, right? It's All-Star weekend, NBA All-Star. So this is probably a tag people are using, so I'll just click save and close, right? And then, right, you're on the home page and you go over. So basically what I'll do is I'll show you an example of how simple this is. I'll go home here and I'll go home here. I'll stop this because it's running the script. So I stopped it. And now what I'm going to do is go ahead and I change the time for the comments so that I can show you an example. The loop, you would probably want to make it, 99, 999, something that is going to run for a while. So I'm going to go ahead and play the comment loop, and basically it's going to do exactly what I told it to do. Go to the student hashtag, right? It's going to go to the student hashtag, and it's going to drop the comment that I told it to drop. It's going to say, hey, check out my page. That's all it's going to do. And when it does that, guys, it just dropped a comment. So I'll stop this script, right? I'll go to the like one and I'll go to the Webstagram, right? And I'll just play the Webstagram loop. So it's going to go to the hashtag that I told it to go to, which is weekend. And it's going to go ahead and it's going to do exactly what I asked it to do. It's going to go down the list and it's going to like the pictures that are tagged weekend. That's all that this script is going to do for you. Basically, this is the tutorial that I wanted to show you. It's fairly simple. If you do not understand something, please go back and watch this video over. It's pretty straightforward. The files will be available to you. And if you have any questions further on and you want some more deeper explanation, we can do, an advanced training, which is going to be ready for you. Take care.